Shoemaker's truck stop in Nebraska. And what you're probably wondering is, why are you here, Jay? Well, I want to eat. And where do you go when you have a tiny home and you want to eat? Well, you can go a lot of places, but you can also go to the truck stop. These guys are legendary for their all-you-can-eat spaghetti dinner. I've had it once before myself. But the thing is, we cannot park like normal people, which means we must search for a spot with the big boys. So come along and let's see if we can't find something that works for us. We're going in a hole, hang on. Okay. That's okay, we're in a hole. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, that was a lot quicker than I thought it was. We are cooking up some bird's eye. Looks pretty good so far. Should be a few minutes before this is really good. We can't go with chains. We gotta just drag her up the hill. We'll worry about chains later. We call this a CTC, which stands for cargo trailer conversion, or cargo trailer camper, or cargo trailer crap, whatever you want to call it. It has all kinds of names. In case you're wondering what 4-week-old poop looks like after it's been chemically treated, and there's your answer. A month to 17 children, I would have thought you might have had like 30 of those cards.
Oh, this is just for 2 days?
Should be an interesting adventure. Okay, we're not going over there. Let's come down here. Okay, that's a dead end. Great, we get to do my favorite thing with the tiny home. Back up. Everyone's favorite thing with a tiny home, to back up. Okay, let's continue our search. Okay. It's not looking promising up front. Definitely not looking promising up front. Some RVs. They stole a nice spot. Oh, nope. Ah, thought that was going to be one. Wow. Can't do it with the cars. I don't want to be at a fuel pump. Okay, maybe out back there. Let's go check out back. There's the scales. We should get on a scale and see how much this beast weighs. I might do that. We'll do a different video for that. Just because they have lights on doesn't mean they're going anywhere. They could literally be here hours and hours with those lights running. That is not an indication of a spot opening up. Although, it also could mean that they're going somewhere. Oh, I thought that was a spot. Well, they may have the best spaghetti in the world, and maybe that's why we can't find anybody to give us a spot. We just get one of these guys to leave. Hey, listen, I support the truckers. Okay, we know this back end's not going to work. What do we got over here? Hold on, this could be it, this could be it. Oh, you got to be kidding me. There's another rig. Okay. There's a spot there. We may have to take that one, but let's check around and see if there's anything else before we come back through here. I swear, it almost looks like some people live here. That's a depressingly possible situation that they live here. See, like you see this and you think, oh, it's like a car. You know, you get the brake lights on, they're gonna leave. Trust me, those brake lights could be on for days and they won't go anywhere. Well, that would have been a good spot. Okay, we got another row over here. Those aren't looking so good either. Wow, that one looks like he's almost rammed up against the post. He's not going anywhere. Okay, we're entering the dirt or the nosebleeds of the truck stop. I thought this guy might move. Oh, oof. That was something I didn't want to do. Okay. There's no one in there. I might be able to fit between these two. It would be the biggest backup job in the world, but I might be able to do it. Maybe. What about over here? Oh, stupid bus. He might be leaving, but there's no one in these vehicles. They're just Oh, you gotta be, come on. Really? You know what, guys? I think I might just be able to take her back into the dirt here. See, like, he looks like he could be leaving, but I'm telling you, I've been down this road before. Literally. There's a couple spots right here, but the problem is, I can't back up worth a crap, okay? If I could back this thing up like on a dime, now I don't know what that's about. He would, you know what, he's not gonna take a trailer, right? Could I? Yeah, but if he doesn't leave, I gotta back out. Oh. Tiny home troubles. Finding a spot to put your vehicle. That is just wrong right there. That is wrong on 15 different levels. But, you know what? I think I can squeeze it. It's gonna be tight, but I'm going for it. I think I found our spot, guys. Gonna have to go over that hump again, but that might be as good as it's gonna get here. I don't think they're going anywhere for a while, so we're gonna take one more run at this. I really don't like this drop right here. Neither does Maggie, apparently. Okay. We got our plan. We got our spot. Question is, can we get in? Anyone got any lube? This is gonna be tight, but we can make it. Maybe. Hold on. All right, we're going for it. We need a spot, we're gonna take it. This guy ain't going anywhere for a while. Okay, looking good. Looking good. Looking good. Wow. Holy crap, Maggie, we made it. Let's see what this looks like on the outside. Whoa! Picture for posterity. We made it. We were in the nosebleeds at Shoemaker's truck stop. Now it is time to go get some dinner. We'll get a way station and then we'll hit the road. Well, hope you enjoyed. See you guys later on the next time on Tiny Wonderland.